How are these classes?
Sir, it's amazing.
Sir, this class is very informative.
Amazing. Okay.
I feel like this class is very amazing.
Amazing. Sir, this class was very amazing and amazing.
Amazing. Yeah, it's amazing.
That was good. I liked it.
Have you enjoyed this course so far?
Sir, very much.
A lot.
A lot? Nice. Very good.
The new concepts which you taught us was kind of new to me, but then I found it amazing.
It was nice.
Yeah, I found it really great and I could learn many new things, especially about electronics. And I also learned new ways and techniques to code.
Sir, this class was amazing and I love this class. Sir, it was very interesting class. We got to know what is happening in the world and how we can save it, like the orca whales. We also learned many new things in coding and electronics. Sir, it was good.
Very good, sir. I have learned a lot from this.
Sir, it was very nice. Wonderful.
Wonderful.